Welcome to Java Forum. Now we are going to see how to test your Samsung solid state drive 980 Pro Gen 4 using Samsung Magician tool. So here you can see that I have already downloaded Samsung SSD Integrated software installer from Samsung website. So I have provided the download link in description of this video. So let me install the Samsung's SSD integrated software. So this will install Samsung Magician and Samsung data migration tool. So data migration tool will be useful to take a backup from one solid state drive to another solid state drive. So if you have multiple SSD means you can make use of this data migration tool. So this is a Samsung Magician tool. So it will provide all the information about SSD installs. Okay, so these are all the informations about the solid state drives installed. Okay, let us start performance benchmark. Click the start button. So it will do some test, that is performance test. So wait for some time. So it will display the sequential read, sequential write speed, random read and random write speed. So all this performance test will be done by Samsung Magician. So I am not going for any third party tool. Samsung itself is providing this tool to test the Samsung SSD 980 Pro Gen 4. So sequential read and random read results displayed. Now sequential write and random write test is going on. Yes. So all tests are completed. So everything is perfect. So you can use this Samsung Magician tool to make a performance benchmark on Samsung SSD 980 Pro Gen 4.